Hey, this is a simulator. I wanted to give you guys an opportunity to kind of play with the simulator to kind of find out where a function increases, decreases, but most importantly, how to find where something is a turning point. So here, I'm going to show you kind of how to use this. I'm going to drop them in here on this skateboarder path. And what you'll see is he's going to go back and forth until he runs out of energy. And where he runs out of energy, he's going to stop. He's going to be standing straight up. That would be a turning point, right? So if we were trying to find out where this graph or roller coaster or this skateboard path has the lowest point, that would be it. And if we wanted to break this up into intervals, that would be one of our intervals. Let me show you another one. So here's another skateboard path. It looks more like a roller coaster, and you see he's going up and down. Again, he's going to go back and forth until he finds the lowest energy point, and that's going to be a turning point. All that means is that that's where the roller coaster or the graph changes direction, and it goes from going down to now going up. All right, so that would be one. There's one over here as well, right? He'll go back and forth until he finds the lowest point, and that would be a turning point. That's easy to see. And now, but this is the part that I wanted to show you guys. I was trying to get this guy, because there's a point where he should be able to just stay without moving to the left or right, but I haven't been able to find it. Every time he eventually moves. But there is a point up there where if you place him just right, he's not going to go to the left, he's not going to go to the right, he's just going to stick exactly where he is. That's the turning point. So you guys can play around with that and see if you can make it work. Let me show you a couple of other things. You should turn on the grid. You can make the mass smaller. This is what I want you guys to play with. Play with the friction. Like if you take off the friction and let him go, now watch what happens. He just flies right off the roller coaster because there's nothing to keep him on it. So you can restart it, try it again, boom. Right, you can slow it down. You can see now he's kind of in slow motion. If you wanted to stop him, you can stop him. You can inch him forward. I think the roller coaster or the turning point would be about there. You know, you can keep going. But I just want you guys to play with this. Just play a little bit, kind of make sure you understand intuitively what increasing, decreasing, but most importantly, where is the turning point? All right, that's it, guys.